What people need today is passive income. People need to be focused on not, before you get wealth, don't worry about wealth creation, worry about passive income, not earned income. Get your earned income. Second thing is you need passive income. Income that you get paid. I'm talking to your audience now. Whether you work or don't work, whether you go to work, don't work, sick or not sick, whether there's a COVID or not a COVID, a war or not a war, you still get paid every month. That is the only true money on this planet.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Kind of last minute stream, but I was bored today, so I want to put something together. So we just come over here and chat. Whatever you guys want to talk about. Let me know what's going on. Let me know who's here. Who's in the building. Put it in the comments, guys. I don't see nobody. Is anybody here? Anyway, I got the coin market chart on the screen. I just want to check it out. Somebody tell me what you guys think. We can talk about anything tonight as well. Anything we can talk about. Any project you want to talk about, you can bring it up. Totally up to you guys what you want to talk about. Just let me know. Husraya. That's a new person. Never heard of Husraya. What's up, buddy? Crypto Dell. What's up, stranger? How you doing? So what do y'all think about these prices? The Bitcoin hit 50 G's this week. You think this is the beginning of a bull market? You think it's just the beginning? Does everybody have their bags packed, ready? What are some of the investments that you guys are getting into? Let me know. Something that I should be looking into, you know. What's y'all top project for the bull run? Is it Bitcoin? Is it Ethereum? I like Ethereum, man. I think Ethereum is going to take off. I know everybody's bullish about Bitcoin hitting 100,000, but Ethereum is only at 2,600. You know, it's up 11% for the last 7 days. I think if Bitcoin is going to hit 100,000, I think Ethereum definitely has a chance to run up to 10,000 at least. Because, you know, everything follows Bitcoin. Once Bitcoin starts going up, everything else starts going up with it as well. So I'm kind of bullish on Ethereum. That's what I'm pretty much loading up on right now is Ethereum, DCA, with my little Robinhood account. You know, I get the $25 taken out every Wednesday. Just a little something, but along with that, and I got Chainlink taken out as well. Let me go Chainlink. Where's it at? 1990. A lot of people saying Chainlink might get up to $100, 10x. Who knows? But I'm stacking Chainlink. I'm stacking Ethereum. What else? I'm still like kind of AVAX too. I might get a little bit AVAX. But right now, I think Chainlink is very, very cheap right now. Polygon, you know, this is going to $1 at least on the bull run. That's a nice investment. This is what I got on my watch list. I got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. That's been taking off. They say that's going to hit 250, 200. John, what's up, buddy? Haven't seen you in a minute. Solana is going to hit 250, BNB 450. Let me see. Sorry. Let me go back to my StreamYard tab. I got somebody else here. Mo Crypto, what's up, buddy? Let me add you to the stream. What's up, buddy?
Hey, what's going on, man?
Did you add your channel to the stream?
Hey, no, I didn't do it. Let me do it right now.
You see, it's at the top right says. You see that little thing at the top right says add to stream, whatever. Stream to your channel.
Stream to your, yeah, exactly.
You hit that
right now.
Guys, we got Mo Crypto 777, another YouTuber in the house.
Hey, I'm excited to be here, man. First time here.
Yeah.
Excited to be here.
Like I said, man, we just chilling tonight, man, talking about anything really, you know.
Awesome. We're ready for that, man.
What projects you're bullish on for the bull run? I know you got a couple gems up your sleeve. I don't know why my background's not working. My background.
Can you do that if you don't have a StreamYard account? Because I never had a StreamYard before.
Oh, you probably got to create a login. That's it.
Yeah, I had to create an account.
And then come back in. That's it. If you want to take the time and do that, you can. Well, my green screen's not working. Oh well. I'm not in my usual spot tonight.
So is it live stream, recording, or on air webinar? Which one do I choose?
Live stream.
Live stream. On studio.
Because if you don't have StreamYard, you gotta pretty much log in, create a little login,
Yeah.
and then come back in with the link.
I think it's like guiding me to do that right now. Let me just see if it's gonna work out.
You can try it and come back if you want to, bro.
Hey, I think it's working, bro.
Okay. So we got Ryan. Hope I'm saying what up, brother. Crypto Dell, High Pride. What's up, Crypto Dell? Where you been, man? A lot of strangers. John Cano, what's up? Hey, brother. How you doing? Is everybody excited for Retruvio as well? We can talk about Retruvio tonight. Let me go back to my I was talking about Coin Market Cap. Let me go back to this. Share my screen again. Boom, boom, share. There we go. Share. It's like I was saying.
Now, sorry, before we get started, how do I duplicate whatever is happening right now? Oh, wait, let me close it. Let me do it again. I think you're right. Plug in.
Also, guys, top right hand corner, I got my QR code for my Telegram group, Passive Income Plays, where you guys can get quick access to me, ask me any type of questions. You can see my latest DeFi plays as well in there. So definitely check that out. Give me a follow and join the community. I think we got over 100 in there right now, 100 strong, chatting away. So we're on Solana, BNB, I think we'll get 450. AVAX, easy $75, guys. Easy $75. Chainlink, like I say, all the projections I'm seeing is going to be $100. Polygon, $1.20. Casper, this is another gem that's been on everybody's radar. They're saying this is a sleeping giant. Pancake Swap, y'all know I love Pancake Swap and the Cake Token. I think the Cake Token can get to an easy $5 from here. Easy $5-6. I put Robit on here as the gaming token. Casino. A lot of people saying it's sleeping giant too, 12 cent. And they do over like a crazy numbers every month in the online casino. Open Campus Play, I got that from somebody else following on YouTube. Cock Inu, I got this thing. What is that? Was it 50.1000? And I just sold yesterday. I made so much money off of Cock Inu. I just sold it because I shouldn't have sold it, but I just sold it. Shrapnel is another gaming token. Anybody interested in gaming? It's another gaming token that can pretty much take off. Oh, let me see if there you go. You got it?
Yeah, man, it's working right now. I had to sign out, sign back in, and work.
So we stream it to your channel as well?
Yeah.
Cool.
Everybody's tuning in.
And then when you get a chance, just gotta go in and add the monetization and all that stuff.
Yeah, no problem. So all these are your coins you're bullish on right now?
Yeah, I'm bullish on all these coins right now. Like I said, I don't know if you're familiar with any of these. Like I said, I just got out of Cock Inu.
Yeah, I had a bag of Cock Inu and I made some money, sold it also.
Yeah.
All the other ones, I mean, unless other than Vault Inu, Creo Engine, Tidenex, EMP Money, the rest that you just talked about, I don't know. But like Open Campus, I don't know which one that was. Shrapnel, never been in that one.
Shrapnel, that's a gaming token. Shrapnel. If you're into games online, they come up like almost like a Fortnite of the games, man. A lot of good things they're doing over there.
You're thinking it's going to be a narrative this bull run, gaming?
Yeah, that's what everybody keeps saying. Gaming and AI tokens, pretty much.
Yeah, gaming, AI.
Samo's a meme coin. I've been following that from Mike the Investor.
Is that on Solana?
Yeah, that's on Solana. Vote Inu.
Oh, he's been in that one for a long time.
I know. So that's why I got these two in there, as well as I think that's it from him. Creo Engine, I like that one from SS Crypto. Remember he gave us to us something like that?
Yeah, he gave us the alpha.
Gave us the alpha on that. Titan-X. It's gonna be deflationary soon, man. It's gonna be deflationary soon, Titan-X. So
what's the latest on Titan-X? Because I know there's a lot of projects coming out. Has King X launched or not yet?
Not yet. Only thing I launched so far is like Dragon X and a couple meme coins.
Have they helped at all? What do you think?
I have can't really tell because the price is still like 1038. So I'm waiting for Hyper to come out. Hyper is supposed to be the main one that's going to burn Titan X token. So
Yeah.
we shall see. I still got a couple miners coming due, so I hope it goes up.
Yeah, I mean, somebody like Stunner, for example, is still making a lot of money with Titan X, right? So there's still money to be made. It's just you have to. I mean, I hope a lot of people's miners are going to be due soon.
Mhm.
But I think even if you're getting it right now, you have to do like 280 days, right?
Yeah,
Otherwise,
definitely.
you're not profiting that much. Yeah.
Right. And I got a couple that's coming out due on March the 20th, March the 15th, and some in July. So
I hope by that time Hyper is going to be out and you're going to be profiting big.
Yeah. And then I'm still kind of bullish on EMP money. If you know about EMP money,
Yeah.
they come out with
Obviously.
Fusion. And
Yeah,
AJ keeps
big
saying
one.
this thing's to get to $1. So
We
Once-
start to
once
trust
Fusion-
AJ.
once Fusion launches, this is gonna get to $1. So I'm around with AJ. I'm around with him forever. So the wheels fall off.
Yeah.
You know, he got Spark Swap. Spark Swap is my #1 projects I'm into.
Hey, Spark Swap is doing crazy
Yes.
numbers.
Base Swap. This.
Yeah, base swap. I mean, if you're thinking about base swap, you're thinking about Coinbase. You're thinking about Coinbase, like one of the best centralized exchanges. So
Yeah.
you're hoping that base swap is going to do some good numbers.
Right.
So I mean, it's very important to have a bag of base swap for the bull run.
And then you also got Pulse Chain.
Pulse Trade is, man,
Yeah.
it's doing very good numbers. I mean, right now you saw late last week they've listed the token on Coinbase, so now you can view the prices there.
Yeah.
You can't trade them yet. You can see them.
Yeah.
So it's a big step in the right direction, So hopefully the SEC case is going to be dropped soon, or it's going to be solved soon, or something.
Yep.
That's gonna be crazy for Pulse Chain.
So what coins you into, man?
Right now, man, I don't know. Like I don't have a lot of coins. The ones that I'm holding are probably the ones that I'm. Let me just pull up my crypto.com.
Okay.
The ones that I'm holding are probably the ones that are big ones right now for L1s and L2s.
Hus Raya, your boys in Stable Swap. No, I heard about Stable Swap from another fellow YouTuber. Was it Crypto Neptune? Well, Legacy Crypto?
Yeah, maybe. I'm in Stable Swap. I mean, I got into Stable Swap probably a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like they say on Telegram, it's so boring. There's nothing to do. You just have to buy your 300-day package. You hold it. You get your money exactly at the exact same time every day. So, for example, I started my package at 1:40 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
If you go to my transaction history at 1:40 a.m. every single day, I'm getting a payment of whatever that daily dividend is. So it's working fine so far. It's been working for a few months. So let's see what happens.
I was gonna get into it, I registered and everything, but I was like, man, if I because you can't verify anything. You know what I'm saying? You don't know what farms they doing or anything like that.
It's all like, I mean, they have licenses. Some of the team members, they dox themselves. They have a lot of information on their website that you can track on other government websites and banks and whatever. So a lot of the stuff they say is legit.
Okay.
Now, it rests on you to believe all of it versus not believe all of it. But I mean, when it comes to a trusted team, they're kind of trusted to some degree. So I mean, I'm okay investing some money there, especially if it's risk capital, because you can make some dividends. It's very slow in terms of payouts to everybody. So there's like 1,000 plus investors. There's over 1 million TVL, but everybody's getting paid like 0.35, 0.4% daily on whatever money they have in. So it's going to take a lot to deplete that $1 million. So in terms of the team being Safu, they're Safu. Hopefully, I mean, from what we know, they're Safu. And wherever that money is up to you to decide if it's legit or not,
Yeah, and I think I have a special promotion going on right now where you get up to like 4% starting that into the 16.
Yeah, so the promotion they had right now is one of the ones that pushed me to get in, really. It's every day it changes. Every day the rate changes, and some days it's 0.39, one day it's 0.42, 0.45, and the largest one was 0.46. So that's pretty good. It's like 170% yearly, which is, I mean, for a stable coin, it's pretty decent. It's one of those things where you put in some stable coins, you're hoping to get your 1.7, 2x in the year, and you're good. But really, like any other project, it's when you have a lot of referrals that it makes it amazing, because you start getting daily dividends from your referrals, daily dividends. So it just compounds dramatically.
Okay. Who's that? Capo, salute to the squad.
What's going on, bro?
H-bar sauce, BSL. What is that? H-bar sauce, BSL.
I mean, H-bar is...
And that's a coin.
So H-bar is a coin. Sauce is Saucer Swap, I think. I'm pretty sure it's Saucer Swap, which is the DEX. I mean, I'm bullish on H-bar, and I mean a lot of tokens on H-bar are like doing crazy numbers. So I mean, they're very micro cap kind of tokens. So you'd have to really do your research on who's deving them and whatever. But I mean, it's legit blockchain. I mean, it's gonna do crazy good numbers, I think, in the bull run.
We got Marshall. Hold on, no. Hey, Pride. Glad to see you. Hey, what's up, buddy? The Bush Burner, Big Pride. Marshall, love and light to all. Huss, best project, bro.
I'm happy to see a lot of people in here, bro.
Yeah. Best project, bro. I'm getting 0.53 a day. Team is 100% legit. Okay, so maybe I need to put some money in a stable swap.
Yeah. I mean, 0.53, I'm guessing it's an average of all of your packages. Is that what it is? Because I haven't seen 0.53 as a 300-day package, unless that was a promo at some point, which is pretty decent. 0.53, yeah, it's pretty cool.
Mac and cheese, more money, baby.
Hey, what's going on, Mac?
Let's see. Okay. So what else we can go over tonight? So stable swap. Did you check out Spark Swap and the new vaults?
Yeah, I'm actually in one of the vaults. So if I pull up the vault right now, let me just check it out.
You need to join my
one
vault.
Of the vaults. Hey?
You need to join my vault, man.
Hey, which vault you in right now?
Let me pull up. I got the name. Let me see. Guys, Spark Swipe just opened up some vaults. Let me share my screen for you real quick.
Yeah. I mean, the vault I went in is a kind of stable vault. And I saw the daily percentage at the time was like the best, so I just jumped into that one. So you have to kind of entice me to get into yours.
All right,
sell me your vault, bro.
Let me share my screen for you guys. I got to stable a couple of them. Let's see. All right, these are my vaults right here. All right, I got one called Get This Money. There's a SDAI, Wrap, ETHDAI, Spark PLS. Okay. And I miss Wrap PLS die. All right, 70% taking profit and 30% compounded back in. Averaging about $13,000 a day on this one. 0.26.
Wait. Repeat that.
I said it's average about $13 profit a day.
$13. Okay, I heard 13,000. I'm like, what are you talking about?
Oh no. Slow and steady. This one you might want to get to. Wrap, ETH, and DAI, USDT and PLS. Wrap PLS and DAI, and SDAI Spark. So kind of like I said, slow and steady.
Yeah.
100% take profit. 0.28% a day.
Okay, I like that. So take profit 100%.
Yeah, and Spark token. And then I got please don't stop. Which is like a PLS. One was Spark PLS, USDC PLS, and USDT PLS. And this is at 0.28%, 117% APY. Profit is 51%. And I got WPLS Junkie, SDAI, Spark PLS, Wrap DAI, USDC Wrap PLS, USD Wrap PLS. That's 0.28. And then Get This Money 2, which is more riskier.
Yeah.
196%, 0.33% every day. SDAI, Spark PLS DAI. Spark PLS.
Okay, so why do you have these vaults? Like, what's making you have all these vaults?
Because I'm actually want to, get in. I'm in these two right here, so, and then I'm actually going to get in these two as well, or these three as well. And then anybody else that might want to get into, they can also get into them.
Yeah, so that's one thing I love about these vaults, that you can share those vaults with your community. You can share them with your friends, and everybody can jump in. And I mean, if you know who's jumping into your vaults, you know that everybody's going to do it responsibly, and
Well, you can't change anything. That's the thing. You can't change anything. So once you jump in, that's it.
There you go.
So
I mean, if like the vault that I'm in right now, for example, I don't know how this works. I'm pretty sure it has to do with the price volatility of Pulse as well. But the one that I'm in, let me just pull it up. Where is it? Oh yeah, the one that I'm in, it pumped all the way to 165K.
yeah,
And then it came down right now to 149K. So I'm guessing it has to do with the Spark token, because that's the only one that in that pool is part of the LPs. Otherwise, everything is SDAI and DAI. There's only the Spark that's volatile. So I mean, I'm guessing that's the only thing, but it's been pretty decent.
Yeah, if you're going to Spark ones, they got special now. Look at it, 241%, 0.66 a day.
Hey, that's the one. That's the one that I'm in right now. It's
This
that
right
first one, Spark Stable.
A state, okay, this right.
Yeah, that's the one. I mean, I saw 0.66 at the time was the largest one. This one 0.77 is even better now.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find one that has some good returns daily, but it doesn't take profit 50%. I want to compound more than take profit.
You can create your own vault. That's what I like about it.
Yeah, exactly. That I mean, I didn't dive into it that deeply to create my own vault. But I mean, it's probably going to be bullish if I create my own vault, because I'm thinking maybe 25% take profit and 75% compound is what I'm comfortable with. So I'm probably going to do that at some point.
Yeah. We got I get in on an early bird, bro. Oh, that's what he got in. He got in an early bird.
Oh yeah, early bird, got it. That makes sense.
0.53 was the early bird promo.
Man, you guys know better than us.
Rock, what's up, Rock? What's up, Rock? How did Fire Token do? You in Fire Token?
Never been in that one. I mean, I know I heard about Fire Token. A bunch of people got into it. I'm pretty sure it's the one that was bullish for Luna. I'm pretty sure Terra Luna. Yeah, exactly. I'm pretty sure that's the one, but I'm not 100% sure how well it did. I should pull up the chart. See if you can pull up the chart.
What, the coin market cap?
Yeah, coin market cap. Pull up Fire. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be there.
And you can also share your screen too. If you see it down the bottom, click on present.
Yeah. You want to do it, or you want me to do it?
Oh, you can do it.
Okay. Let's hope that. All right. Let me know if you can see it.
Oh, you got it. There you go.
All right, perfect. My bad. Fire. I'm pretty sure it's this one.
0.000762.
Yeah. Wait, I'm not 100% sure. Sorry, I don't want to. Wait, let's pull up. Can you ask the guys of the chat which liquidity pair was it, so that we can pull up the chart? I'm not sure if it was the AVAX one, or was it on BNB or ETH.
Let us know in the chat, guys.
Yeah, let us know, guys.
Traveler, let us know.
Is it even still here? Imagine a rug, bro. That would be bad. Yo, what do you think of the latest narrative of ERC 404?
Man, I wish I could get in early.
Bro, there's so many coins happening. Oh, this is a complete. Yeah, this is a sham. I mean, if you look at the tokens right now, if you look at 404, I mean, look at this. There's like so many different 404 tokens. They're all like super high valued.
I know. Where's Richard Hart at right now? The RH one. 190?
110.
So 110?
I mean, it's not bad. You know why? I feel like it's gonna have another leg up just because they announced the staking today. What I think is gonna happen is a lot of people are gonna just stake. I think it's CalTip RH 404 so that they can start earning some CalTip. The one thing that's just my personal opinion. The one thing I don't like about Pulse Farm, let me just pull it up. The one thing I don't like about Pulse Farm, but the numbers are crazy. 1.2 million. I mean, congrats to these guys.
Wow.
The one thing I don't like about the farms is that everything pays in CalTip. Everything. So basically, everybody's going to be taking rewards in CalTip unless there's something I'm missing. It's always going to put some sell pressure on the token, right? All these pools, and they keep putting out more and more pools every single day. The latest one is the PDI CalTip LP pool. This one is pretty cool because it pays like 1.2% or something like that.
Wow.
1.3% daily, which is not bad. So in my mind, if people are going to be aping into these pools, they're going to be just constantly having sell pressure on CalTip, which is why since launch, I mean, CalTip has been, not performing that well.
Yeah. See, they're trying to be like SparkSwap, but SparkSwap you get paid to Spark, but at least they're generating revenue from the bridge and stuff.
Yeah, exactly. So I mean, I'm pretty sure they probably have some kind of reasoning why they're doing it this way, but it's looking like it's on some kind of bounce back. So this looks good in my opinion. Even though there's 200 buys and 800 sells, there's a much bigger buy volume than sell volume, which is why we're seeing such crazy price appreciation, right? I mean, there's like thousands of buys today. If you look at the buys, 2,000 over here, a lot of sells, 2,800. Somebody knows something.
Yeah, but those sales are cheap though. Those like $3, $4.
Yeah. I don't know who's selling this cheap. Like, it doesn't make no sense to me. But let's see, 3,000 buy. See, I think what's happening is that there's so much buy pressure since the announcement. Like, if we look at this buy pressure, oh no, it's been a few days. Never mind, it's been a few days. But like since I'm guessing like today's bar is so high because they announced their staking, and a lot of people are probably anticipating the CalTip token going up in value. And if that's going to happen after staking, a lot of people are going to be taking profits. So I'm thinking we're going to see something like this and then another dump like this. But all speculation. Obviously, I'm not like the best pro at this. I'm just thinking logically what I think might be happening.
So what's the next 404 coin you got?
Hey, I don't know.
It's coming out.
The only one that I have my eye on just because I like Paris. Paris has a 404 coin coming out tomorrow. That's launching. So if everybody wants to have some 404 in their portfolio that might be doing some X's, this one might be a good option.
What's that one called?
HTTP 404, I believe, is what he called it.
Where can we get like the contract and all that stuff?
Here it is.
Like Discord or something?
Can you
Telegram?
Oh, you can't see my screen, eh? I kind of.
You got to share it again.
Yeah.
Oh, let me get out.
Let me do it right now.
Got Captain Fix in the house. Moleon High CP. Hello, MC77. Early from work. Just want to check in on Caviar and show you here. Caviar?
Hey.
That's something you're into, right? Caviar, right?
Yeah, I've been heavy in Caviar. Well, not heavy, but I've been heavily invested in Caviar just because I love the way they're doing it. I love earning hex on a daily basis, you know? Can you see my screen?
Oh, let me share it. Let me get it. Okay.
So this is the project that Paris is working on. See here, it says launch date February 14th, 6 to 9 p.m. UTC. It's going to be a self launch. So if you just have your eye on the Telegram, it's over here. Just stay connected. It's going to be launching between 6 to 9 p.m. It's going to be a stealth launch. Essentially, it's the same kind of concept where it's an ERC 404 token. For each one token, you're earning one NFT. If you have 10 tokens, you have 10 NFTs. They get minted straight away into your wallet. The beautiful thing about this one that I feel like is going to be super bullish is that there's only 4,040 tokens.
Oh, wow.
Versus all the other.
10,000.
Yeah. all of them, they're 10,000. This one has 4,000. So there's much more chances that this one's going to do higher numbers. So yeah, it's a bullish thing, but everybody has to really pay close attention to the chart and be careful when you jump in, because a lot of these tokens, what happens is everybody jumps in early. When the price does crazy X's, it starts dumping right away.
Yeah.
So you just have to be careful. A lot of people take crazy profits right away because they make crazy gains.
I gotta check that 6 to 9 p.m. UTC still.
Yeah, exactly. It's gonna be nice. I feel like it's gonna be nice.
I wonder what the starting price is gonna be.
Yeah, me too. I don't know exactly, but it's
4,000 tokens. Man, that thing's gonna fly.
I know. It's gonna fly. It's gonna be awesome. That's why I'm gonna be super excited for this one. I'm gonna tap into Telegram and I'm gonna keep it close. That's the only one really that's in my mind right now that I feel like is gonna be good. The other one that I feel like might have some potential is defrogs. You know defrogs? It's the second one that got popular after Pandora. But defrogs basically is just a meme looking frog that has some pretty good potential. It's right now sitting at 1,400. So if it does some good X's, it has some potential, but it already has a community base behind it. So there's much more likely to have some good X's, in my opinion, versus a lot of speculative coins that you don't know who is developing them, who the teams are, and where their tokens are coming from, because a lot of these tokens might be scams at the end of the day, you know?
Yeah. Man, so to buy that HTTP 404.
Oh, it's on base chain, eh?
It's on base chain?
It's on base chain, yeah. So you probably need either base USDC or base ETH for gas fees, and probably to do the swaps as well.
So you have to get off the base swap, kind of?
Exactly. So they're probably going to have a link on the website. The website is going to take you straight to base swap probably, or whatever, maybe Kyber swap. I'm not sure what they're going to be using. And or you make your swap, it's going to go straight to your wallet. But then you have to just take the contract address, make sure it's a legit one from Telegram. Take contract address and follow it on Dex Screener, and just see the movement and see what kind of price action is going to be. Like, is it going to do a 100x? Is it going to do a 1000x? Or is it going to do a 5x? You know, just be careful. One of the tokens I got into early in 404, I sold too early, and it did a 3x after I sold. So you have to make sure not to be a panic seller like I did. It was a bad move. You know, I should have stayed, but I didn't know what I was expecting. It was like when we all started hearing about ERC 404. I don't know what I was getting into. You know. Yeah.
Interesting. I gotta check that out.
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah. So what are you into right now? What protocols are you into? Oh, did you get into that latest one, 17% a day or 17% a week?
No, I was not. I seen Drip Coach video on it. You see Drip Coach video?
No, I didn't watch that one.
Oh, you gotta watch that one today, man. He's he broke down how the guy, I guess one of the developers reached out to him, told him it's only gonna last a couple days, and
seriously?
Yeah. You gotta watch Drip Coach videos today.
I'm gonna watch that video right after this.
Now, you know, he's telling all the influencers that he had signed up for it. I was like, man, I never had nobody, you know, actually tell you how long it's gonna last. You know, like it's only gonna last a couple of days. Like,
wait, so who told him it's gonna last a couple of days?
The guy, you know how somebody gets you an idea and wants you to do promo for him.
Oh, okay.
And he was like, I guess the developer was telling him, you know, give him like 150 for a video, and it's not gonna last past 30 days, and it was crazy, man. I was like, wow.
Yo, Drip Coach, man, he doesn't care. He put them on blast. Like,
yeah.
Like, he has no chill when it comes to making sure everything is Safu, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, I applaud him for that. Like, he doesn't get influenced by anybody, you know?
Yeah.
Which is good.
Husray, what's this new 404 stuff? Can you guys explain? I think.
Yeah. So there was a graph that I saw. Let me just see if I can pull it up.
What's up, Chris Cruz? Let me know if you want me to send you the link, Chris. Marcus, PLS Farm is rehypothecating their money on Pulse X for external revenue. Okay.
Bullish. Is that recent though, or that's been going on for a while?
I don't know. Crypto Jack, what's up, buddy? You about to pull something up? More, you about to pull something up?
Yeah. I'm just gonna find the actual picture that I want to pull up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it up on my YouTube video because I talked about it, but for some reason I can't find it right now on Twitter. I just pulled it up and showed it you guys. So it has a pretty straight to the point explanation.
You did a video on 404?
Yeah, this morning I pulled up a video.
Okay.
And this graph really helped me understand exactly what it is. Okay, so let me share my screen. Perfect. All right, you can pull it up. All right. So, I mean, if you want an in-depth explanation, just go watch my video. But this is basically a summary of what ERC 404 is. So essentially, it's a combination of two different kind of contracts. It's the ERC 20 and ERC 721. So ERC 20 is like the Ethereum contracts, the same kind of Ethereum code. ERC 721 is the NFT kind of contracts, right? So what happens is it's a brand new experimental coin where they mix both contracts together. Those contracts essentially allow you to have a fraction of an NFT in your wallet, but it's never really minted. So what happens is if you have less than one ERC 404 token, let's say you buy 0.7 tokens because the token is at $1,000, right? If you only buy 0.7, then you're never going to get an NFT. You're only going to be getting the tokens straight to your wallet. If you're going to be minting one or more than one or more tokens, basically, you're going to be getting the token in your wallet, and the contract is going to automatically mint an NFT and put it straight into your wallet right away as well. Okay? If you sell an ERC 404 token, then that NFT is going to be burned. If you send it to somebody else, let's say I want to send it to Crypto Pride, right? What happens is the NFT is going to be burnt on my side. It's going to be reminted on the other side. So it could be a completely different NFT. But he's going to be getting the tokens that I had, essentially. That's how it works. And then if you sell your ERC 721, which is the NFT, you're essentially selling your tokens at the same time. So it's really working hand in hand. If you buy 1.5, you're only going to be getting one NFT. If you buy 2, you're going to be getting 2 NFTs. That's really the whole thing. But the reason why it's such a big thing is because it's kind of new and it's an innovative thing where they're mixing both together. But it is a merge of two different contracts together. There's a lot of probability of there being a lot of exploits on these kind of contracts. So everybody has to be super careful when they deal with it because you never know what you're getting into, kind of thing. A lot of people made a lot of money, and some tokens rugged a couple days later. You know, like suspicious behavior, they rugged. But the latest alpha, a few hours after we heard about this kind of concept, is that a lot of people now are talking about another one. I feel like it's called DN or something like that, DN404, which is basically another way that they're going to be creating similar contracts. That contract is going to be a ERC 20 contract, but with a mirrored 721 ERC contract, so that the ERC 20 is a completely SAFU contract that's vetted by Ethereum, the rules of Ethereum. I'm not sure exactly how to name them, but they're less likely to be exploited versus the ERC 404 token contracts. It's very complicated, but once you get into it, it's very simple. So I mean, I'll just show you guys very quickly. I actually minted one of the tokens yesterday. I minted DMC 404, right? So DMC 404, I minted 4.04 or something like that, like after taxes. So it minted me 4 NFTs. Even though I have a little bit over 4, it only minted me 4. If I top it up to get 5 tokens in my wallet, then I would get an automatic 5th NFT straight to my wallet as well. That's really how it works. But if you want to sell those to make some profit, then you're going to sell the tokens at the same time. I hope that was clear.
You sell them the same way you buy them, right?
The same way, exactly. So I bought DMC 404 on PulseX because this is a project on Pulse Chain. I bought it on PulseX. If you go to PulseX, you can sell it as well. I used Wrapped Pulse to buy them. So a lot of these projects, you just have to make sure where the liquidity is available. Sometimes you buy it on Wrapped Pulse. Sometimes you buy it on Pulse Chains with a Pulse token. Sometimes you can get it with multiple liquidity pools, like with the DAI token. So it really has to do with how big the project is and how many people are providing liquidity to that project.
How's this token doing?
Not so good.
Oh.
I bought it yesterday. It did good, but then it dumped today, I think. But I bought it at a dip, so I put in like $50. I didn't mind losing those $50. So it did crazy numbers all the way to $47.
Oh wow!
I bought it back down here. No, I bought it right here at $11. So like right at the bottom, bought it, and it did this kind of very small pump. I feel like a lot of people don't really know a lot about these tokens. It did 26%, but then it went back down to $9. So like, just think about it. I have 9 times 4 NFTs, so like $36 out of my 50. It's not a big deal. That's why I told everybody in my video, use only risk capital. Like if you don't have like a lot of risk tolerance to these kind of things, and if you don't feel comfortable dabbling into these new tokenomics and new tokens, then just don't put a lot of money into them until you feel comfortable, you know?
Right.
Man, a lot of things are going on right now. A lot of things are going on in DeFi and in regular crypto, like all these different blockchains that are going to come out.
Yes.
A lot of things, like for the bull run, like right before the bull run, it's just making everything that much more enticing for a lot of people that want to be investing, like having money before the halving.
Yep. Wow, that's some good stuff. Yeah, we got a couple blockchains coming. We got, the Truvio blockchain. We got a Layer 1X. I'm very bullish on Layer 1X.
Yeah, do we know like a time frame on when that's going to be launched?
It's be next month, March.
Oh wow, awesome.
Yeah. Yeah,
that's bullish for sure. I'm going to participate in that.
Yeah, I'm are you in it now?
No, I'm not in actually. I didn't know you could get it right now.
Yeah, I've been in this for almost a year now. I got it on the early seed investing.
Yeah, I mean, I've been hearing a lot of people talk about it like for a while on YouTube or whatever. I didn't think it was already live.
You can buy tokens now still, and it goes live next month.
Oh, okay.
Like pre-sale.
Okay, I'm gonna look into it. You have a video on that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna see the link too, because you gotta get the wallet, man. Just imagine swapping from Ethereum to BNB for pennies.
Really?
Yes. You can swap between 8 different blockchains for pennies. No use bridgeless. So you don't have no bridge hacks or anything like that, man. It's crazy what they're doing over there.
Hey, that's pretty cool.
Yep. What else we got? Let's see. Chris Cruz, good stuff. What's up, Chris? So what else can we come over? Cut out. Let's see. What else? Let's see. Talked about tokens, Spark Swap, 404 tokens.
Are you bullish on any projects coming up recently? I mean, in the next little while?
I'm looking at DripX, man.
Is that next week?
February 25th. Let me make sure I got it right.
Next week.
Thursday, I believe. Let me see.
A lot of people watching the stream right now probably know exactly what DripX entails.
I think it's the 22nd.
22nd? Okay.
Yeah, next Thursday. If you're familiar with Titan-X, man, you got to get into DripX.
Yeah, I never went to Titan-X. I mean, right. I knew about Titan-X at day 35. Imagine day 35. I would have been able to get some good profits.
Yeah, I got it. I got in the Titan X launched on Halloween, I think, October 28th, a couple days before Halloween.
Damn.
And I got in on December the 11th. So still making profit, with my miners.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't know what to think about Titan X when I first saw it. The numbers were just crazy.
Yeah.
In my mind, I'm like, okay, this thing is not gonna last. But then, it blew it out of the water. I mean, I know now a lot of people don't make a lot of profits with it, but it still made a lot of people a lot of money.
Yeah, but you're still making like 20%, 30%, 40%, 50% on your miners.
If you're doing 280 days, right?
Or like me, I did 30 days, I did 60 days, I did 90 days.
Recently?
When I say I started my miners on December the 11th, so.
Oh, okay.
I just spread them out, over 90 days, 60 days.
So that's the thing. So at the time, I just didn't think it would last that long. So yeah, I'm probably gonna get on DripX at some point.
Yeah, that's why that's why DripX. When you get it early, you can reap the rewards like we saw, the early people in Titan X.
So do you know exactly how that's gonna work out using PancakeSwap v3?
Yeah, you guys can buy some drip, rapid, or you can use the BNB.
Okay, yeah. Man, because I wasn't in Titan X, I have to really get familiar with how this works. So I know how to do the right miners and everything.
Yeah, if you use is it Hustle and Crypto?
Matt.
Yeah. Follow Hustle and Crypto. He does like a couple videos on it, how to break it down, what you need to do exactly. From the videos, all you need is BNB, either BNB or you can get, if you got liquid drip, just make sure you wrap your liquid drip and then you're ready to rock and roll. I
mean, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be bullish. A lot of people are gonna ape into it. There's way too much hype around it. It has way too much of a bullish community for this not to make some good numbers.
Right.
So it's exciting. We'll see what happens.
What project?
That BB project too. I mean, today he posted an announcement. He's like something coming up soon, I think.
What is that? VV2?
BB. You know BB? You don't know that project, bro? Come on, man. BB.
I don't know BB.
BB, bro. Sorry, wait. Let me show you. BB, you know the developer that used to work with Forex Shark?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so he has a project coming out called, I mean, there's an X on the icon. We don't exactly know what the project is. But today he posted an announcement. He said initial reveal and chat opening, which I have no idea what that means, but oh wait, there's a counter. In 1 day and 20 hours.
Oh, wow.
In 1 day, 20 hours, he's going to open the chat and he's going to do a reveal of the project. And so far, the project has 2,100 members on Telegram and nobody knows what the hell's going on.
Wow.
Which is crazy to me. Like, how do people... How does he expect to keep up with this hype, This project has to be bullish. When I first saw the logo, tell me what you think when you saw this.
I would think Titan X.
I was thinking Titan X, but apparently it has nothing to do with Titan X. I thought it was Titan X. I thought it was Pulse Chain. Pulse X Farms.
It could be
something like that.
We don't know what it's about. It could be.
We have no idea. Apparently, what I'm hearing is it had nothing to do with it. So we'll see. I mean, it might be something completely different. The teaser he posted maybe a week or something had a robot and a weird logo in the corner. We don't know what that logo is. So maybe somebody figured it out. But so far I'm just waiting. We'll see what happens in a day and 20 hours.
Yeah, it's like I said, so many projects, man. It's like you just gotta figure out which one.
Figure out which one. You have to have enough money for every single project. Like, it's crazy.
Yeah. That's why I'm just trying to narrow down for like maybe 3 or 4 projects. That's it, man. That's it. Really, 2 projects, really. I mean,
if we make it on one project, we make a good entry. I mean, the rest is gonna be history. At some point, when you have enough capital, you can get into all these projects.
Yeah. That's why I can say Spark Swap. I can get my ETH. I'm like bullish with my ETH, so I get my ETH pair. My ETH died. Just let that ride. Yeah. I'm bullish on PLS, so let's let that ride. Just sit back.
You have some money in the Sparkler or no?
Yes, I got some money in Sparkler.
Okay. Yeah. That's bullish. Obviously, it's bullish. Anything AJ puts out, I'm all behind. Like, AJ is gonna kill it every single time for sure.
Right. And then he's come out with Fusion. That's coming out soon too. His new project.
Yeah.
So,
That's what I like about him. He's always innovating. He's not just putting out projects to put them out. I mean,
Mhm.
you're seeing all these people that we know that are coming out with these new ERC 404 tokens because there's hype behind it, and they want to make their communities happy, you know. But AJ, he's coming out with projects that are innovative, that are creative, that are just
trusted.
so
Trusted team.
trusted, audited. I mean, he's doing interviews all the time. There's a lot of marketing behind it, so
Mhm.
it's nice to see in the space.
Then we got Warren 2.0. It's be coming out soon too.
Oh man.
Waiting for that.
I'm trying to get some more information from Max. I'm trying to get some information from Nomad and Math, but these guys are on lock. They're like, no, we can't
telling you
disclose
nothing, huh?
anything. They're not saying anything. I'm excited because I have a feeling, learning from the things that happened in
That
version
Moses?
1,
Yeah,
it's just gonna be probably more sustainable. You know, we're gonna see what's gonna happen.
right. Yeah, definitely got to learn from your mistakes. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, obviously, like for me, I'm gonna support that team with
Yeah.
all the projects they come out because I know them. They're Safu. I mean, they're
Mhm.
great people, great devs. They've been in the space for a long time. So every single project that we work on is gonna be a project that we learn from, and we're gonna make better and better projects every single year that comes after that. You know, so Warren Layer 2 is gonna be great.
Yeah, man. So, yeah. So we're looking forward to DripX, Warren 2.0, X. We don't know what it is.
I have no idea.
And I guess that's it, huh?
We'll see. Yeah, I mean, for now, these are the safest play. Other than that, just go on GoPulse.com. Look at all these freaking tokens that are blowing up.
Yeah.
Yo, every single day there's a new Pulse Chain token that's blowing up.
What do you think about Richard Hart saying he about to, bring the fees back to the bridge?
Hey, I didn't hear that, bro.
Yeah.
That's gonna be.
You think he's gonna use that wallet, pump the price before he did that, or what?
If he uses that wallet, oh my god, it's gonna be good. I mean, I don't know if he's gonna do it. We'll see, because right now a lot of eyes are on him. So
Yeah, because
I don't know.
he tweeted the bridge is about to end. The free no fees is about to end. That's what he tweeted yesterday.
We'll see. I don't know exactly. I honestly don't know how that's gonna impact the prices, but I feel like the fees, where are they gonna go? They're gonna buy back some tokens, or what are they gonna do? You know, I feel like it's gonna be bullish in some way. That's why the government has taxes on everything, because they profit from it. You know, so probably he's gonna profit. The ecosystem's gonna profit at the same time. So we'll see. But he's too much in the spotlight right now to do anything shady. For sure, he's gonna do it to build the ecosystem. I feel.
I don't know.
Yeah, the next few months are gonna be good, bro.
The what? The next what?
The next few months.
Oh yeah. When do you think the bull run's gonna officially kick off? Or has it kicked off already? You think?
I'm against all of my peers in the space. I don't think that bull market has started yet. Yes, we're seeing a lot of price appreciation, but don't quote me on that. Honestly, don't come at me in a few months and tell me, Mo, you said this a few months ago. But I don't think this is the bull market yet. I feel like we're gonna have still a crazy dump. I feel like Bitcoin
Crazy dump.
Yeah, bro. I think there's gonna be a crazy dump. I know a friend of mine. Okay, I'm gonna give you some alpha. One of my friends, he's a trader, and he's been trading since 2015. And he's been trading like on exchanges all the time, like regular cryptocurrencies, ETH mainly. And he does a lot of his profits based on the trading that he does. And he's been through a few bull markets, and he says this is a classic scenario of everybody's gonna have crazy FOMO. We're gonna have a 50% correction, and that's when the bull market is gonna start. So he said, keep your money on the side and get ready, because we're gonna see some pretty good sales before the prices start going parabolic again. But this is me telling you what I heard, not having experienced it before. So I'm having a lot of FOMO right now. I want to be buying all these tokens.
Yeah.
But I also don't want to be buying and then tomorrow is going to be a dump and I lose half my money, you know?
Because it was like you could say it was a dump 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, that was a yeah.
You say it was a dump 2 weeks ago.
I was actually on a video a few weeks ago, and I'm like, guys, the freaking crypto market is all red right now. If this is gonna keep going, this might be the dump before the pump. And
Right.
then there was a pump, and then my
Right.
friend is like, "No, that was a joke. That's not even what you have to look out for. Just wait a little while longer, and closer to the Bitcoin halving is when the dump is gonna happen, and that's when everything's gonna blow up." I feel like the big banks and whatever, they want to get as much crypto as they can very cheap, and they're gonna wait till the last minute. So I don't know. Honestly, I'm just talking out of speculation here, but I really hope I can get some tokens at a good price, honestly, because there's a lot of tokens that I have my eye on. But there's like you need so much money to spend on these tokens to make sure that you make some good gains, because a lot of things are speculations. A lot of these tokens have not seen a bull market before, so you don't know how well they're gonna do, right? So we'll see.
That's why I say Solana's going to lift. I think Solana's going to get to like 200 or something. AVAX 75.
I mean, I've seen Solana predictions of $400. I'm like, I'm ready for that. I'm ready.
Yep. And the Bitcoin halving is what, 63 days from now? I think we're going to start seeing the pump like in April.
In April, that's I hope so. I mean, we'll see what happens. I feel like we're gonna get some kind of dump in around March. You know that graph that shows you the Bitcoin behavior every single month, the green and red graph? We'll see what happens. Maybe that graph is gonna be bullish for April or bearish. I'm not sure. Either way, if you're getting a lot of the coins right now, you're getting them at a kind of a decent price, right? So you're gonna be getting some good X's from now until 2025. You can reap some rewards, but I try to get in at a right price. It's never financially speaking, even though I'm not a financial advisor, but financially speaking, when you try to invest in these coins, you can't time the market, right? You can almost never time the market. So I try to, but I always fail. But I try as much as possible to DCA my position as much as I can to hopefully make some decent gains whenever the time is right.
What do you think about the Ink token?
Oh, I'm holding in token.
Really?
I'm trying to accumulate as much as possible because
Me too.
There's low supply, and if Pulse Chain explodes, all the farms are going to explode. The token itself is going to gain a lot of traction. Like overnight, the token goes from, for example, if I look at my bag right now, it's down 8%, but it's down 8% after having gone through a lot of price appreciation, right? If I look at the 30-day, so far it's up 68%, right? So the token was already like in the $2 range. It went up to $3. So if you would have invested $100, you would have made some good money.
What is it now? Last time I seen it was at 340. What is it now?
313.
313?
313. But it has 24 million in supply, so it's like nothing compared to Pulse X, which has 20 trillion. Hex 91 billion, and Pulse has 16 trillion, right? Ink is the only one that has 24 million. So the lowest supply. It has 75 million market cap, and it has burning that goes into it. So the more burning that happens there, the better it is, right? So there's Pulse X that has some tokens that get burnt, and INC get burnt also. So for me, my plays are mainly going to be Pulse, Hex, INC, and Pulse X, but I'm also going to dabble in a lot of these speculations like Wrap Bitcoin, Pulse, all these coins, like all those forks of the major ones like Link and
what about PDAI?
Oh, PDAI for sure. I mean,
really?
It's a lot. Yeah, a lot. I mean, I don't know if it's going to get to $1. Honestly, I have no idea, but I know that there's a bullish community behind us, so anything can happen. They can do a 10x, they can do a 15x, they can do a 50x. I don't know, but I don't want to miss out if it happens. Just like Teddy Bear. Teddy Bear is a meme coin, but I don't want to miss another Shiba Inu. I don't want to miss another Floki or whatever, Dogecoin. So all these coins, you put in a few $100 and you hope for the best.
Wow. Functional Junction, what's up, buddy? Well, we've been in for like an hour. Anything else you want to go over, man?
No, it was nice being here, man. Thanks for the invite.
Yeah.
We'll do this again. This was fun.
Yeah.
Thanks, everybody, for tuning in.
All right, guys, that's gonna be it for the night. That's gonna be a wrap. Thank you, everybody turned out, and appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace out.